our Sassy Divas Collab. My name is Tracy, and this is a collab that goes out the first Sunday of every month. I know this Sunday is Easter Sunday, so some of you may be getting to this a little bit later, but we do it the first Sunday of every month, so we like to keep to that. And this is a group that was put together by Stephanie over at Glitzy Gem. We're also joined by Kristen from Krusty Kristen, Arlene from Arlene S, Kim from Kim's A Little of a Lot, Dee from Retro D, and Leslie from Hillbilly Creativity. So each of us chooses a theme and then we randomize it. So this month the theme is Flower Power. And I thought, do I want to do like kind of a 60s type look, thinking about flower power? Do I want to do something based upon flowers? I think I'm going to go with kind of like a 60s, where that look was kind of very natural and neutral. So I think I'm going to go with that. I've already got on my foundation. I used my Ilia sticks. I have two different, this is a medium coverage. So one I do, oh, there we go. One I do all over the face, and that's the Sycamore, and then the other one, this browner one, I kind of use as a little bit of just a contour. So I just got in this P. Louise budget box. It's the first time I've subscribed, and I saw this and it caught my eye, and I said, oh, now I want to get that. So I did get these hop drops in there. This is a bronzing drop. Very pretty, got a nice shine to it. You can kind of see it there, not really blended in. There we go, blended in. Now, P. Louise is an indie brand based out of the UK. It is a female founded brand, and the young lady who owns it just has such energy that she brings to everything that she does. If you ever watch her on TikTok, she's just so cheerful and so lovely. So this palette came in here, and this is a face palette. So we have a whole thing of eye colors, but then we have these liquid colors for face. I'm going to go right in with this yellow right here. And I'm just going to hit the under eye area a little bit. Now, usually I use a peachy, but I thought, you know, I'll just use this one. Then for the cheeks, I'm going to use this one right here. Names. Can I read you the names? Let's see. So that yellow one was Sweet Tooth, and this pinky corally one that I'm going to use on my cheeks is called Twinkle Tail. And I imagine you could maybe use these on your eyes too, I'm not sure. Okay, so the cream ones, it says not for use around the eyes, although some of them are more concealer, so I think just not too close to the eye, so I guess you would not want to use them. We're going to come back to those cream products shortly, but first, this little base for your eyes came with it. This is kind of the cream color. And that little dot goes quite a long way. This did come with 3 little mini brushes, so I'm going to try these out. I'm going to start with a nice neutral. Now that looks dark, but when put on with a brush, it's not going to be as dark. That's called Golden Hour. These brushes are very soft. I usually like something a little bit denser for this, but we're gonna go with it. It's not doing a bad job. All right, I'm gonna use this little brush for this outer area here, and I'm gonna go in with this very dark brown here called Spring Fling. Come back to that other brush because there's so much. I'm going to come to one of my tried and true brushes because there was so much product on there. And I guess if we were doing like a flower look, this would be kind of the dirt, right? Now next I want to get this You're So Extra right here. Then I think I'm going to go in with this Easter holiday one. And that pink one is very, very light, which is why I thought it would kind of go with that kind of naturalish look. Just blend it in a little bit. Take this small brush and come right under the eyes with that yellow that we put on the front. Then I'm going to just come up here and I'm going to use this Carrot About You here. Then I'm going to come up to the brow bone with this Blushing Bunny. I'm going to take that same Blushing Bunny and I'm going to use it as highlighter. And I'm glad I know that those cream products cannot be used close to the eye, because I would have 100% thought that that would have made a nice eyeliner, some of those dark brown ones. So I'm going to take this Ilia eye pencil to get the eye area. And so because we're going for a more natural look, I'm just going to tightline. I'm not going to do any crazy wing. Just got to hit those brows a little bit. Then I'm going to use this Tartelette Brown Mascara. And this is a tubing mascara. So I'm going to mix the Golden Egg and the Twinkle Tail together. Then we got these 3 lip oils. So I am going to go with the Chocolate Covered Strawberry. And there is my final look. So I'll give you a close-up. All right, well, tell me your thoughts down below. Now there is a subscriber give back that does come with these. In order to be eligible, you must be publicly subscribed to all of the channels in the collab. You must have a public subscription profile. You must comment on everybody's videos, and you must give them all a like. So down below, I don't use a secret word. You're just going to tell me that you've done those things, that you're publicly subscribed or subbed to all, commented on all, whatever it is. That's going to let me know that you would like to be a part of the give back. It is a subscriber give back, so you do have to be subscribed, right? That makes sense. And you must be 21 or over or have consent from your parent. You must live within the continental US. YouTube, P. Louise, any of the brands I mentioned are not at all a part of this give back. This is simply from us to you. Each channel will pick a runner-up, and then the secret hostess will let you know, she'll put all those names on a wheel, and she will let you know, probably in her video, who the winner was. Now, I was the hostess for last month, and so I don't know who my winner is because I'm still waiting for the other ladies to give me their runner-up. I pre-film, so I'm going to put a screenshot in so you all know who the winner is there. And congratulations, whoever you are. I will also do a community post and tag you. I'll probably tag you in this video as well, so hopefully that gives you a little bit of a heads up. And all the rest of the rules will be down below. So thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.